If your Wave accounting account is locked, yeah, that can stop you from accessing your dashboard, invoices, and financial data. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure you are entering the correct email and password. Wrong credentials can trigger a temporary lock. Next, wait a few minutes before trying again. Too many failed login attempts can temporarily lock your account. Now click on Forgot Password and reset it. Yeah, this is one of the fastest ways to unlock your account. Next, check your email inbox for any security alert from Wave Accounting. They may have sent instructions to unlock your account. Now turn off any VPN or proxy. Unusual login locations can trigger account security locks. Next, try logging in from another browser or device. Yeah, this helps confirm if the issue is device related. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted session data can sometimes block login access. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Unstable networks can interrupt authentication requests. Now disable all browser extensions temporarily. Yeah, some extensions can interfere with login verification. Next, if your account is still locked, wait for the security lock timer to expire. Some locks automatically lift after a cooldown period. If nothing works, contact support. Yeah, they can manually verify your identity and unlock your account. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the Wave Accounting account locked issue and restore your access.